I thought I'd do a vid on the Cuda. And so you got the chassis pan in and all that stuff. The engine. It's been fighting me a little bit. And put Arctic Ice Blue in the center of the seats. I give it a little something. Match it to the body. Took the chrome off of them because it looked more to me like an aluminum rim. So to me it looks better anyway. And so I'm not a real big fan of chrome. Oops. Did the same thing on the center console. Did that grill in aluminum. Still got some more work to do on it. There's the underside. The bell housing's magnesium and the transmission steel. Went with that hood. Looks better to me than the shaker. And there you go. Talk to y'all later.